Hi, this is Yakshita from the Vix Artistry. I'm here to talk to you about my crazy journey experience I had before being a bride when I was a bachelor. Drink a tons of water, eat a good food, eat healthy food, take good sleep, do your skincare routines daily. Whether you're married, whether you're unmarried, skin routines are very important. What you should actually carry with to the venue was take a compact that suits your skin tone. It's very important because eventually I know it's winters, but sometimes what happens is when we smile a lot, we have this very, smiley face. So it tends to have creases on your face. Carry 2 shades of neutral lipsticks. One could be the brown shade, either the pink shades, whatever shades, it's up to your lehenga, what it is. Safety pin, bobby pins. Having our late night conversations with my parents, with my family, with my sister, my brother, I definitely miss that. You used to, just jot down everything. You used to discuss about how the day went and about every single stuff. So yeah, that was one thing. Second thing that I miss is my vanity that I've arranged over there. Oh, my vanity. I would like to thank WeddingWire India to letting me speak about my journey and share it with you guys.